There is one habit that makes you instantly less awkward, and it's something that you can do today. Like, there's no skill required. It's so easy to do that if you do it today, I'm telling you, you will notice that every single social interaction you have forever improves permanently. It'll improve your ability to attract women because it'll completely improve your confidence like 100x compared to if you didn't do this instant habit. It would increase your ability to talk to other guys. You can finally make friends and you can actually meet people you respect. Imagine instead of being around a friend group who maybe insults you a little bit or you don't really like them much, you're with people who genuinely vibe with you completely. It'll allow you to just live your life with more fulfillment because you can go about thinking, well, yeah, I have this habit now and it didn't even take any skill. I've just become more confident and it's not even difficult. Bro, it's such a crazy habit, and once I finally learned what this habit was, my entire social life changed forever. I went from literally being this like little boy who couldn't even talk to anyone, who was always at the corner of my class, didn't really have any friends I respect, to now where I am now, where I can talk to women confidently. I have friends who I respect. I go to the gym with them. I have all of these fun social events. I got to that level through that one habit. That's what sparked it all for me. And if you want the same, then pay attention. I'm going to reveal what this habit is, and it's going to completely change the trajectory of your life if you just do it. And this doesn't only apply to socializing, even though that's the main use case. This applies to every single aspect of your life. Every time you're going to do something difficult, it's what professionals use, professional boxers, people who perform on stage like piano players. This applies to every single profession, and the best of the best use this, and it works because it's proven. This one habit is deep breaths. Now, I know it sounds obvious. Maybe you're already like, wait a second, I already do deep breaths all the time. I always do deep breaths when I'm gonna do something difficult. Can you really be sure that that's the truth though? Because I genuinely actively try and remember to do deep breaths whenever I do something difficult. And I talk to a lot of people, and I maybe do it like 30-40% of the time. Can you really be sure that you're doing deep breaths consistently every single time you talk to someone? Probably not. So do this with me right now. Literally, breathe into your stomach. Breathe a deep, big breath into your stomach. And then breathe out through your mouth. Isn't that nice? Doesn't that just calm you down? Because it should. This is literally scientifically proven. You see, we have two systems. We have flight or fight, which you already know. This is kind of obvious. Everyone knows what fight or flight is. It's like the panicky mode. Someone is trying to kill me. Do I run away? Do I fight back? What do I do? This is instant, right? Adrenaline. We also have something that not as many people know about. If there's fight and flight, what's the opposite of that? Rest and digest. We have rest and digest, a system which we should be in like 99.9% of the time. This is what our default state should be. And by breathing this way, you calm your nervous system and regulate yourself to instantly put yourself into rest and digest mode, specifically breathing through your belly, not your chest. A lot of people will breathe through their chest and make these shallow breaths, especially when they are doing something difficult. Oh, I'm gonna go up and talk to that girl, and then they start breathing shallowly. Because you're breathing shallowly, it's like you're trying to hyperventilate. You aren't breathing fully. If you breathe through your belly, it fills up your entire lungs. Like when you breathe through your chest, it only fills up the top half. So you're literally getting half as much air. If you breathe through your belly, you fill up your entire lungs, and you breathe slower, and it stops you from hyperventilating and being all panicky. Do that whenever you do something difficult like talk to someone, and I'm telling you, you will immediately notice how calm you are. From being like this panicky, you're scared, you don't want to do this, you're worried, you're twitchy, you have adrenaline running through you, to like this where, your heart rate is calmed down. Oh yeah, let's just go up to this girl, let's see what happens. And you're just calm now. It's such a drastic difference, and you will see it in real time if you just give it a shot. Genuinely remember to do this. You will notice the benefits 100x. You will notice how much it helps you. It's such a huge difference. If you are someone who is so anxious you can't talk to anyone, this is what will ignite you. This is what will get you going. It's like a spark. All you need is a single spark, one conversation that'll get you a bit more confident to do the next conversation, to the next, and then it becomes easier through iteration. That's how I'm so good at socializing. I just did it a lot. That's the truth. I can give you all these tactics, and they do work, and they are important, but I just did it a lot. That's the truth. I did it a lot, and through trial and error, I got better, and I learned, oh yeah, some things don't work, some things do work. And this is one of those things that through trial and error, I know 100% does work. So make sure you don't kind of look at this and think, it's probably not going to help much. It's just breathing. It doesn't matter. If you don't want to take the advice, you can continue being like a little weird social retard where you just can't talk to anyone. But if you genuinely want to improve this area in your life, you want to make friends, you want to go on dates with beautiful women, then you need to learn this. You don't even need to learn it. It's not even like a skill. It's literally breathing. Can you breathe, bruv? Please, to fix your entire life and to change the trajectory of it, just spend like 2 seconds breathing properly through your belly. Check out the top link in the description. You'll get better at socializing, you'll meet friends and meet people who are exactly like you. And you can also learn today through the personal calls where I literally guide you through the problems you're facing. Check that out. I'll see you in there. Remember, consistency is over a lifetime. Bye-bye.